I'm Amna and today I'm going to tell you how to thrive in e-commerce and earn a passive income online. Thriving in e-commerce and earning the passive income online involves a combination of the strategic planning, understanding of online market and the effective use of the technology. Here are some key points to consider. Niche selection. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and has a demand in the market. Perform the market research to validate the niche profitability and identify the potential gaps in the market. E-commerce platform. Decide whether to sell on the established platforms like Amazon, Etsy or eBay or to create your own website. Consider using the platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce if you decide to have your own website. Supply chain and fulfillment. Set up a reliable supply chain. Consider dropshipping if you want to avoid handling the inventory. Use fulfillment services like Fulfillment by Amazon to automate the shipping and handling. Digital marketing. Develop a strong digital marketing strategies that includes SEO content, marketing, social media, and email marketing. Utilize the paid advertising to drive the traffic to your products or services. Customer service. Provide the excellent customer service to encourage the repeat business and the positive reviews. Use chatbots and automated response systems to handle the common queries. Automation. Automate as much of your business as possible using the tools like CRMs, email, autoresponders, and the inventory management systems. Outsource tasks that can be handled by others, such as the virtual assistants for the customer service or freelancers for the content creation. Data analysis. Regularly analyze your sales data and website analytics to understand the customer behavior and optimize your business. Use A/B testing to find the best performing elements of your website and the marketing campaigns. Continuous learning and adaptation. Stay updated with the e-commerce trends and consumer behaviors. Be willing to adapt your strategies based on what is working and what isn't. Legalities and compliance. Ensure your business complies with the online business laws, including the taxes, data protection, and consumer rights. Protect your business with the appropriate insurance and by trademarking your brand. Diversification. Don't rely on a single product or a marketing channel. Diversify your income streams to protect against the market changes. Consider expanding your brand to the multiple platforms and exploring various product lines. To summarize, thriving in the e-commerce and earning passive income online requires the careful planning, a customer-focused approach, effective use of digital marketing, automation of business processes, and a willingness to learn and adapt to new market trends. It's important to note that while some aspects can generate the passive income, such as digital products or affiliate marketing, e-commerce typically requires the ongoing effort to maintain and grow. Thank you very much for listening to us. We will see you with another upcoming video.